everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a fashionista, I'm a makeup addict, and guys, I am sure that is why you are here. Do we love the new set? Yes, I'm loving it too, and that's why I have love to project to all of you out there. If you're wondering what was that noise in the background, that's my beautiful son Adrian. He has just woken up, and yes, he's part of my life and part of my show, I guess. My channel, your show. Alrighty, my darling, so what are we having today? Today we're going to have this kind of neon sunset vibe. Neon is hot, and when I tell you it is hot, it's not only hot in clothes, it is hot in makeup. So I wanted to try out this look for you guys. I even tried a different way of putting on my makeup for you guys because you guys love the Huda Beauty neon yellow that I did with my beautiful juvi'a setting powder about 2 weeks ago. Talking about 2 weeks ago, I'm so sorry I haven't filmed life, just life. I went to Scotland with my family to go and meet my Scottish families, precisely Uncle Sam, who is 90 years old. Yes, and he was seeing Adrian for the first time. I am also going to try out the KRAFTY highlighter. A lot of you asked me, Fumi, aren't you going to try the KRAFTY eyeshadow palette and the KRAFTY highlighters? I grabbed the highlighters because I'm all about my cheekbones. That's a huge feature for me, and I wanted to see how it turned out. So I got her highlighters, plus I love the fact that she had pink. Never mind this, darlings, this was Ula. I asked Ula, I said, Ula, my darling, can you please pass me some wipes? And he passed me wipes and put it on the KRAFTY palette. I pray that it dries and it's okay. But anywho, she has 3 pinks. I love pink, gold, bronze, and I said, you know what, highlighter I will try. So that is what we are working with, my darlings. I did my eyes first and then I did skin. So I hope you guys like it. Sit back, watch, and I will see you at the other end, and we will find out if the KRAFTY highlighter palette is F.D.V approved or not.
Trying to get hold of you, but you vanish right into the blue. You're too busy to pick up the phone. I have been tossing and turning all night. This king size bed is too big for just me. Try to block all these thoughts in my head.
a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. Yeah. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while? No. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. And I'm going down. I try not to fall from make-believe, but this is something else. I better be careful. You're beautiful, and I'm going down again. Hey, 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 hey. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did.
Darlings, do we love Zooey Love? I am loving this, and I think this is the way I'm going to start applying my makeup, because everything falls on my cheeks and I have to do all of that pat and lift and tape and everything. I mean, really, who has time for that? I'm a mother. Adrian takes 99% of my time, and the old life I have is squeezed into the 1%. So girlfriend doesn't have the time. Love this. I love how it came out, and I love the KRAFTY highlighter. Yes, I do. Ula, my darling.
Is it F.D.V approved?
Yes, darlings, the KRAFTY highlighter. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. This reminds me of Miami. This reminds me of when I wasn't married, when I was single. I wasn't doing much. No. My life since I met Ula has been very exciting, and I love this very, very much. So guys, leave all of your comments down below. I will be back. There are all kinds of interesting things coming up. You guys don't even know how much, but enjoy this. And yes, let's go neon, let's go bright, let's stay positive, guys. Always stay upbeat. Always know that no condition is permanent. This too shall pass, and sunny days are always ahead. Until then, my loves, Ula and Adrian,
Have a good day.
have a good day, my loves. Kisses and hugs. Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you're